Good afternoon, 8th grade. I realize that some of you are still confused about how to do half-life graphs. So I'm just making this short video to help you. Now, from the graph, this point where the graph starts is the initial count rate or the initial mass or the initial number of molecules or number of atoms or anything, but that's the initial value of the number of atoms. And this question is the number of nuclides. Now, half-life is the time it takes for the material to decay to half its original mass. So half of 1000 is 500, which is here. So since half of 1000 is 500, the time that it takes for it to get to 500 is the half-life. So I go on the x scale. This time that it takes for it to get to 500, that's the half-life. So its half-life is according to this table, it's T1/2 corresponds to 500,000. I don't know if that's days or something, but yeah, the T1/2 would be the time that it takes to get to its half-life, and therefore the half-life. In the question that I gave you in your activity today, in the question that I gave you, this one, I'm going to use this one here. The initial amount of the initial count rate is 80. So if you want to get the half-life, you divide 80 by 2, and you know that's 40. So then you go to 40 and then find the graph and look for the value on the x-axis that corresponds to that value on the y-axis. So for this material, for this compound, or for this compound that we're looking at, its half-life is 2 days. So its half-life is 2 days. So that's how you find half-life from graphs. You can use the same thing to figure out the answers to that question. Hope that helps. Bye.